Good day, everyone, and welcome to another exciting vocabulary lesson. This is Mr. Stitt, and today we're talking about week 9 for my 8th grade students. Here's the list of the words this week: commerce, Rudi, muddle, rubbish, galley, and nugget. So let's jump into the first word this week and figure out what it means. So the first word this week you're probably very familiar with because we live in America, a great country filled with commerce. So commerce can be a noun, a thing that people are participating in, or a verb, an action. And it means the buying and selling of goods and services. So oftentimes in America, especially nowadays, we have e-commerce that happens online. But you can also have commerce in a brick and mortar type business, and it's anytime someone is buying and selling goods and services. So I might say, I love commerce because I get to earn money. That's a great use of the word commerce. So a synonym for this would be business, economics, exchange, industry, retail, and trade, commerce. The next word this week is Rudi, and that's an adjective, and it means having a healthy or reddish color. So because it's an adjective, we're describing something as ruddy. So you can see the woman in this picture here, she has ruddy cheeks. Her cheeks are a little bit reddish in color. Someone's skin can be ruddy. A shirt can be ruddy. Anytime something has a more reddish color to it. An animal, like a bird, could have a ruddy color. So I might say, the woman in this picture has a very ruddy complexion. That'd be a great use of the word in a sentence. Synonyms of this word would be bronzed, crimson, flushed, flowing, healthy, pink, red, rosy, or scarlet. Ruddy. The next word this week is muddle. Muddle. And it's a verb, so it's an action. It's something that you do or someone does, and it means to make a mess of something. So in this image here, you can tell this child started playing nice, but I'm not sure if these are paints or looks like they're paints, but he has muddled the situation. It has become a mess. Somebody can muddle your clothing. Somebody can muddle your car. Anything that's yours, that's a possession that someone messes with, they are muddling that thing. You can muddle your homework. Maybe you start off doing well, but then you muddle it. It becomes messed up. So I might use in a sentence, I might say, the boy muddled his parents' new couch by stepping and sitting on it when he was all muddy from playing outside. So synonyms of this word would be botch, chaos, clutter, disarray, disorder, mess, or mess up, or mix up, muddle. The next word this week is rubbish. Rubbish. And that is a noun or an adjective. So it can be a thing or it can be something you describe as being rubbish. And it really means worthless material that is to be disposed of, trash or garbage. So anything that you think is not good or worthless, you would describe as rubbish. So in this image here, we have some actual literal trash. So this is the noun. It's literally rubbish. Or you could describe a movie. Maybe you saw a movie and you thought it was trash. It wasn't very good. You would say that movie was rubbish. So synonyms of this word would be debris, junk, lumber, rubble, trash, or waste. Rubbish. The next word this week is galley. Galley. And this is a noun, so it's a thing, or more specifically, a place. And it's a kitchen on a ship. Or it's any sort of narrow kitchen space. So this word gets its origin from shipping and when we're talking about boats, because on a boat, because it's a small vessel, you can't have a large kitchen. So typically, a galley style kitchen is something that's very, very narrow. So it's not an open concept kitchen with an island or open viewing. It's 2 walls and there's countertops and cabinets on both sides with a narrow alley in between. This is called a galley kitchen. So I might say, my ship was very small, so all I could build was a galley kitchen. Or just galley. I wouldn't even have to say kitchen. They're almost synonymous. So synonyms of this word would be galleon, kitchen, cookery, or mess hall. Galley. The next word this week is nugget. Nugget. And you're probably familiar with it in terms of talking about a food, which the food, chicken nugget, we derive from this original word because it has the same shape. But a nugget really is a solid lump of a precious metal, as found in the earth, especially gold. So a nugget is more of a shape of a precious piece of metal, not so much of food, but we do use it in terms of food as well. So this would be a nugget of gold. It's shaped in kind of a lumpy kind of ball type shape, and that is a nugget. So I might say, when the old pioneers discovered the West, they dug into caves and found nuggets of gold. So synonyms of this word would be chunk, hunk, pile, cluster, gob, gold, ingot, or treasure. Nugget. Well, thank you so much for joining us this week. Here's a summary of the Week 9 words for my 8th grade students. They are commerce, Rudi, muddle, rubbish, galley, and nugget. Well, thanks again for joining us. I hope to see you next time. Bye.